So my name is Shubham Srivastava. I work for Siemens Technology. I am based out of Bangalore. My journey with KodeKloud was fantastic. We started our project some 4 years back, and it was completely demanding the latest trends and technologies. Kubernetes was something base, and then we have key clocks, OIDC, controller, backstage, and all the CNC of big base project. And we found KodeKloud is a platform which was teaching us in a very simple way. All the developers, like I am a lead engineer, but the others who are joining, they don't know Kubernetes, right? And we don't have that much of time to teach them from the basic. Thanks to Mumshad that he created the 3 initial courses was a basic for Kubernetes and then CKD and then CKA. I'm preparing for CKS now. I really like the course because it's very hard to find a course on CKS which is very much aligned, which we can explain you the topic in a simple terms. To be honest, there is a recent change in the syllabus of CKS exams, and I'm really happy that Mumshad has covered that already. So, bomb and Privy, Aqua, everything. So I'm really recommend KodeKloud for your DevOps journey. If you want to learn and understand in a simple terms and don't want to be lost in the flashy technologies and trending new things that is coming up, go for KodeKloud, learn, and then I think you don't have to find any alternate. That is the best thing I'm already using. I'm a pro member. Every year I used to take it. I hear about when I started preparing for CK, but even the Kubernetes journey, I saw that course first on Udemy, and then I came to know about Munshad, and then I was very happy that he's starting his own channel. So then I become the permanent user of KodeKloud. Around 5 years, and earlier I used to buy the subscription for 1 month or 2 months to understand my course, but this time I took it for almost a year.